Hello guys, I am Manish Thokade. Today's video topic is string in Java. So we can see string. String in a Java are objects that are backed internally by a character array. Since array are immutable, cannot grow, string are immutable as well. Whenever a change to a string is made and internally new string is created. Then memory allocation of string. Whenever a string object is created as a literal, the object will be created in a string constant pole. This allows JVM to optimize the initialization of string literal. There are two ways to create string object. So first one is a by string literal, then second one is a new keyword by new keyword. Then we see first one is a string literal. Java string literal is created by using double quotes. For example, string yes is equal to double quote in the double quote welcome. Each time you create a string literal, the JVM checks the string constant pole first. If the string already exists in the poll, a reference to the polled instance is returned. If the string doesn't exist the poll, a new string instance is created and placed in the poll. So then we can see second one is by new keyword. So string s is equal to new string inside the bracket welcome. Create two objects and one reference variable. Then in such case JVM will create a new string object in normal non-pole heap memory, and the literal welcome will be placed in the string constant pole. The variables will refer to the object in a heap non-pole. For example, string str is equal to hello. The string can also be declared using new operator that is dynamically allocated. In case of string are dynamically allocated, they are assigned a new memory location in heap. This string will not be added to the string constant pole. Then we see interface and classes in string in Java. So we can see char buffer. This class implements the character sequence interface. This class is used to allow characters buffer to be used in place of the character sequence. Then an example of a such use is the regular expression package java.util dot regex. Then we see string. String is a sequence of characters in Java. Object of string are immutable, which means a constant and cannot be changed once created. Then we see string buffer is a peer classes of string that provides much of the functionalities of strings. The string represents fixed length immutable characters sequence, while string buffer represents growable and writable character sequence. Then the string buffer in Java represents a mutable sequence of character. Since the string class in the Java creates an unmutable sequence of the characters, the string buffer class provides an alternate to string class, as it creates a mutable sequence of the character. String string to in a string class in the is used to the break a string into tokens. A string tokens object internally maintains a current position within the string to be uh, tokenized. Some operations advance this current position past the character processed. A token is written by the taking a substring of the string that was used to create the string tokenizer object. Then we can see string joiner is a class in java.util package which is used to the construct a sequence of the character strings separated by the delimiter and optionally string with an supplied prefix and ending with an applied suffix. Thought this can also be the with the help of string buffer class to appends delimiter delimiter after each string joiner provides an easy way to do that without much code to write. then we see then we see what is immutable object. An immutable object is an object whose internal state remains constant after it has been entirely created. This means that when the object that been assigned assigned to a variables, we can neither update that reference or reference nor mutate the internal state by any means. The string is immutable in Java because of the security, synchronized, and concurrency catching and class loading. The reason of making string final is the destroy the immutability and to the not allow other to extend it. The string objects are catched in the string pool and makes the string immutable. Then string buffer is a pair of class string that provides much of the functionality to the string. The string represents fixed length, immutable immutable character sequence, while string buffer represents growable and writable character sequence. Then string buffer in Java represents a mutable sequence of character sequence. Since the string class in Java creates an unmutable sequence of character, the string buffer class provides an alternate to string class. Then as it is creates a mutable sequence of the characteristics. Then string tokenizer class in Java is used to break a string into tokens. A string tokenizer objects internally maintains a current position within the string to be tokenized. Some operations advance this current position past the characters processed. A tokens is returned by taking a substring of the string that was used to create this string tokenizer object. Then we see string joiner is a class in Java util package which is used to construct a sequence of a character strings separated by the delimiter and optionally starting with a supplied prefix and ending with the supplied suffix. Thought this can also be with the help of string buffer class to append delimiter after each string. String joiner provides an easy way to do that without much code to write. What is an immutable object? An immutable object is an object whose internal state remains constant after it has been entirely created. This means that once the object has been assigned to the variables, we can neither update the reference nor mute the internal state by any means. The string is immutable in Java because of the security, then synchronized and catching and class loading. The reason of making string finally it to the destroy the immutable and it not allows other to extend it. The string object are catched in the string pool and make it string immutable. That is called, it's all about a string. Thank you.